Yo, what's up, guys? I'm Clinton, and welcome to the YouTube channel. So, if you're just joining us for the first time, I really do appreciate you guys, and you're welcome to the channel. So, in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can be able to uninstall your Microsoft Edge for whatsoever reason that you'll be trying to uninstall your Microsoft Edge. You have come to the right place. Okay, without wasting much time, let's go into this tutorial. So, as you can see, if you go into your settings, I'm just gonna put this on my okay. Once you're here and you go to apps, and then you can see all your applications right here. And let's just go over to where it says Microsoft Edge. And as you can see, it's gonna show you that it's grayed out. Microsoft Edge is it's grayed out, so you can't carry out any action on that software. Okay, here we have Microsoft Edge. So you open it, as you can see, uninstall is being grayed out. You can only modify it. Unlike other softwares, you can uninstall this. Alright, I'm going to show you a little tip on how you can go about this. So I'm just going to go over to my file explorer. So once we're in, all you have to do is to go into your drive C, or the drive where you have installed your Windows. As you can see, this has the Windows logo, so it means my Windows is installed in this drive. Just go ahead and open it. All right, so once you're in here, you just have to go over to your program file x86. Once you're in here, you have to go over to where it says Microsoft. Alright, so once you're here, you have to go over to here it says Edge, and go over to application. And as you can see from here now, this folder that has a number, this number stands for the version of our Microsoft Edge. So this is version 106 numbers behind it. Okay, so all you have to do is just to open this one, and you have to go over to where it says installer. All right, now that we are here, all you have to do is to click on this part, and you have to hit your delete back button, and you have to type in cmd, and you hit your enter. So once you hit enter, it's going to open cmd. Okay, this is our cmd right here. Okay, this is our cmd right here, and this is our cmd right here. So all we have to do now is just to copy the command that will be in the description. Copy the command. So this is the command. I'm just going to go ahead and copy it, and once I copy that, I'm just going to go ahead and paste it here. And all you have to do is just to hit your enter. But actually, I don't really want to uninstall my Microsoft Edge, because I really like using it most of the time. Because if there are some websites that finds it difficult to open on my Chrome and other browser, sometimes Microsoft Edge actually makes a difference. So guys, once you're done pasting the command here, it's just going to uninstall Microsoft Edge for you on a system level, as you can see here. So when you just hit the enter, you can see that from this part, it's going to be showing that it is working on it. So that's just everything about this, guys. So but before you uninstall your Microsoft Edge, make sure you downloaded your Chrome or your Opera Mini or your Firefox or whatsoever browser that you would like to use. Okay guys, that's everything for this one. If you find this tutorial helpful, just go ahead and drop a comment in the comment section. I really do appreciate that. And you can also go ahead and give the video a like and consider subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate that, guys. See you guys on the next one. Have a great day.